Hello, so here's what I'm working on today. So this website is for a wonderful client, Caris Owen at the Business Pod. Now, Caris delivers leadership training to the construction industry and many other industries. She's an absolute powerhouse of a woman, and we've been building her website now for a little while. And I wanted to get some of Caris's energy and enthusiasm into this website. So we have put on a little video on her front page. I'll show you this in a moment on the preview. And then we've got these different services that she brings. So I've used her corporate colors, and I was working on these hover buttons. So you see how they change color nicely. It's a pretty standard feature in a website. Again, in Kajabi, requires a little bit of custom CSS code. So put that in for her. She's got her own bespoke font in here as well, that is not usually available within Kajabi, or in fact not in many areas. It has to be imported in. So again, little bits of CSS code to overwrite what is the norm. So if we'll have a quick look on her website, we'll see how this is coming along. And here we go. Now you'll notice that the video doesn't autoplay. This is because of browser rules. Browsers generally stop people from autoplay. You can autoplay, but if it autoplays, it's got no sound, and this is deliberate governance feature, so that people don't get annoyed. You know, when you click onto a website and you get blasted with advertising, you're not allowed to do that. So what I've done here is just captured
Amazon,
some of Caris's
Apple, Gates Foundation, they're all down there.
enthusiasm.
Fab places.
I really advise you to check this out, because
same message as
I'm just going to stop the video, but what Caris actually did, this is an amazing thing. If you are a business owner, she actually went over to Seattle and went to where Microsoft, Amazon and all the big players are, to convey a message about leadership and about training. So that was really important to get on there. We got some testimonials there, a form. Some people will fill in a form, some people won't. So the other thing we've done is we can put in a, excuse the dog barking, we can put in a WhatsApp contact there. This is coming to you live and direct, absolutely no filter, hence the dog barking at the postman. So here we go. Here are all her different offerings, again with the hover button feature there, her different services. And this is a growing website, and I am at the moment working on something for her which is going to be a little bit different, because the way she works is so different. It's really difficult to get people to experience how you work, so we're putting together an experiential page. So keep watching along with me, and we'll get that you can see that develop as in sort of lifetime. So apologies for the dog. Let's get on with the day. Wishing everybody a great day.